I've been wanting a good quality floor lamp to put in my studio, so today I'm brightening things up a bit and adding this adjustable one next to my work desk. It looks a little different than your usual lamp, but I kinda like that. I opened up the box and really appreciated that everything was packaged well, and most of the pieces were even connected by the power cord that runs along the inside, which made it a lot easier to put together later on. It also comes with a remote, a connection cord, and the instructions. To install, I started with the bottom part of the pole and then twisted it onto the base. Then I worked my way up from there, twisting on the next 4 sections. This was fairly simple and took less than 5 minutes. Next, I topped it off with the light part, which screws on easily. Connected the 2 power cords together, plugged it in, and then sat it next to my work desk in the studio. Now the reason I like this lamp so much was because of the adjustable head. It can go multiple directions, so I can point the light where I need it. It also has a built-in touchpad that lets me customize the color and brightness. Plus, it's capable of storing memory, so when you turn it off and back on again, it reverts back to the way you had it before it was turned off. It has 4 color temperatures ranging from warm white all the way to cool white, which I like the best, so I can change it depending on the mood I'm in. And with the remote, it has all the same settings as the touchpad, plus a 30-minute timer and a user-defined button. For the timer, just hold the button down until the lamp blinks once, and then it'll turn off by itself in a half hour. And the user-defined button lets you save your settings, so you can adjust the brightness and color temp, hold that button down until the light flashes, and your settings will remain the same until you change it. It also gets brighter than I expected on the highest level and puts out plenty of light throughout the studio. Exactly what I wanted, and I don't have to use that yellow ceiling light much anymore. Not only that, but it works in a pinch when I need some extra light for filming product videos. There's not much of a glare at all, and I can make it dimmer if it looks too harsh on camera. At one point, I even considered replacing our old living room lamp with it. I don't get a lot of natural light in here, so when I turn the lamp on, it makes a big difference compared to the old one. And since I can adjust the light, I found that pointing it up at the ceiling gave the area a whole new look, and I kinda like it. Same with pointing it towards the floor. It looks good that way too, and a little more traditional, so I've definitely got options. Also, this thing's pretty sturdy. It seems to be made of a strong aluminum, and the base itself weighs about 10 pounds, so if it gets bumped into, it's less likely to tip over. I love that it looks nice and fits in almost any room, and that I can customize the settings with the push of a button. So if you need a good quality floor lamp that's plenty bright and stands out from the rest, this one might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna get some work done under my new lamp. Later.